Hello everyone. If you are playing Marvel Rivals, you probably want to connect your Discord so you can chat with teammates, join official servers, and enhance your gaming experience. In today's video, I will show you how to easily link Discord to Marvel Rivals step by step. So now let's get started. First, you will need to launch Marvel Rivals on your PC. Just wait for it. Now that we are here on the main menu, we need to find the settings. Here, click on community. So in this page or in this section, you will see the option to link external accounts like here Discord. I already linked my account, so here this happened. But in this section, you just need to copy the link right here. You will see two boxes here. One says copy and one says go. After you copied your link, click the go button and you will be redirected to your Discord. After that, you just need to log into your Discord account and you will be redirected to their official Discord account. Here, the Marvel Rivals. After this, you need to click on the in-game binding. Then click on verify. Next is you will need to paste your invitation code here. Now once your account is linked, I highly recommend joining the official Marvel Rivals Discord server. So to make the most of your Discord connection, you might want to enable Discord's in-game overlay for Marvel Rivals. So go to settings, search for game overlay. Then you will need to make sure that it is enabled. After that, go to registered games and you will see here the Marvel Rivals. And that's it. Now you know how to link Discord to Marvel Rivals so you can chat with your squad, join the community, and enhance your gaming experience. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.